So guys, here is my Fiverr profile and you can see guys, I have hundreds of orders in pending clearance and I have $520 in available for withdrawal, which I can withdraw at any time. And you can see guys, $1,198 in pending clearance. I have to wait for 15 days to clear this amount. And you can see guys, I just refresh this page again, so you can trust that I am not making any types of fake video or anything like that. This is the actual result guys, which I receive on my Fiverr profile. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get more and more orders on Fiverr profile, on your Fiverr profile. So guys, to get more and more orders, here is what you have to do. Here is the first step.
Hello guys, if you are new on Fiverr and if you are not getting any orders, or guys if you are already level 1 or level 2 seller on fiverr.com but you stop getting new orders on your Fiverr profile, then please do not worry. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get more and more orders on your Fiverr profile. Guys, in last 2 months I get approximately 250 to 300 orders. So guys, I can truly help you to get more and more orders on fiverr.com. If you are interested, then please do this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started.
So guys, before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work and everything in between. Guys, the beauty of my channel is I only make video on this topic which I personally follow and make money online. So for the quality content guys, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And guys, please do not forget to give me a like on this video as well. Guys, it takes so much hard work to make videos for you. So guys, if you really like my work, then please do not forget to give me a like on this video. And guys, if you think I am making any types of mistake with my video, then please let me know in the comment. I will improve my mistakes guys. Guys, I am human and human learn from mistake. So guys, if you think I am making any mistakes with my videos, then please let me know in the comment. I would definitely improve my mistakes and I will provide the best videos for you. So guys, please do not forget to give me a like and share your best suggestion, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment. So now let me show you how you can get more and more orders on your Fiverr profile. Guys, the best way to get more and more orders on your Fiverr profile is buyer request. Yes guys, this is the best way to get your first order on your Fiverr profile. Honestly guys, I didn't send buyer requests from last 1 year now, because guys, I invest my time to find best keyword for my Fiverr gig, and I try to rank my gig in the first page of Fiverr, so I can start getting more and more orders from Fiverr itself. But guys, when I start my Fiverr journey, I definitely send some buyer request and I got hundreds of orders from buyer request as well. So guys, if you are newbie or if you have level 1 or level 2 but you are not getting orders, you can send buyer request. And guys, if you have level 1 or level 2, then there is a high chance to get orders from buyer request, because guys, now you have some rating on your Fiverr profile and you have level 1 or level 2 base. It helps your buyer to trust your service. So guys, but if you have newbie, so many newbie contact me guys that buyer request is not showing on their Fiverr profile, then guys, the best solution for that is Fiverr update buyer request for a newbie at some specific time. Just for an example, in India, buyer request update in 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So guys, if you are living in Pakistan, then the time will be different. If you live in USA, then the time will be different. So guys, what you have to do is you have to find your best time, at which time Fiverr show buyer request. And on every day guys, at the specific time, you have to open your Fiverr profile and you have to send buyer request. Just for an example guys, if you live in India, every day at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. you have to open your Fiverr buyer request and you have to send buyer request. Guys, as I told you before, I didn't send buyer request from last 1 year. So when I was sending buyer request, when I was newbie, the Fiverr time was 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. If Fiverr changed time period for buyer request in India, then please do not dislike my video. As I said before guys, I didn't send buyer request from last 1 year. So another question is guys, which so many students ask me on my Facebook profile, which is that guys, Nadeem sir, I sent 50 plus buyer request, but I didn't get any orders from buy request. And guys, when I told them please send me the text which you send to your buyer, so I can see that what is the mistake you are making with your buy request text. And when my students send me the text, buy request text, which they send to their buyer, believe me guys, after watching their buy request text, I start laughing. Guys, they have so many grammatical mistake, plus they have write long story which no one read. Guys, what you have to do is you have to write based by request. Guys, you are not talking with your Facebook group, Facebook friend or Instagram friend. No guys, they are actual buyer, and they are interested to buy services from you. So guys, if you make grammatical mistake in your buy request text, it will not look good, and your buyer will do not buy from you. So guys, first what you have to do is in your buy request text, you have to write how your service will help to your buyer. You have to say how many experience you have in your service, and you have to say how your service is going to be different from other seller. Believe me guys, on every buyer request there are 50 or 100 plus Fiverr seller give request. So it is very hard for buyer to select who is the best. So guys, if you write text with so many grammatical mistakes, your buyer will do not buy from you. You have to write the best text. First, what you have to write is how your service will help your buyer, and how many experience you have. And guys, what you have to write next is you can write like, suppose you are sending buyer request for a logo design, and your buyer have budget of $20 for one logo. Then what you can write is guys, in your buy request, hey dear, I am new on Fiverr, and if you buy my services from me, I have very big discount for you. At $20 price, I will not only design logo, I will also design a business card for you. So guys, so dear, this is the best opportunity for you. So please check my Fiverr service. I am different from other Fiverr seller. My work is quality work, and I will give you unlimited revision until you get satisfied. You can write like this. If you write your buyer request is like this one, I can give you guarantee guys, 100% guarantee you will get order from buyer request. You have to be honest in your buyer request section, and you have to write your request professionally. And guys, if you cannot write English properly, then what I recommend is guys, you can contact your friend or family member who can write English in a professional way. You can say them to write 500 characters to 700 characters by request for you, and you can write 2 to 3 different buy request text which you can send time to time to your buyer. If you do like this guys, believe me, you will start getting orders from your buyer request. I send buy request when I start Fiverr journey, and as I said before guys, I get so many orders, and I provide the exact same buy request which I said in this video. And guys, the second way to get more and more orders from Fiverr is YouTube. Yes guys, YouTube is the best way to get targeted traffic to your Fiverr gig. Just for an example guys, if you are providing YouTube SEO service on Fiverr, then what you have to do is you have to write article about Fiverr gig SEO, and you can make video on that. I have already make one video here, you can see. So this is the video guys which I make, and you can see guys, you can easily make a video like this. First what I did is guys, I just write article here, you can see I write this article, and at the end I write this text. So these are my best tips to grow your YouTube channel. If you want me to help you to grow your YouTube channel fast, please feel free to contact me here on Fiverr, and here you have to share your Fiverr gig link. And guys, I just copy this article, and I just come here on this tool which is vidnami.com, and by using this tool you can make video easily. I have already said how to use this tool. Basically I said video about Content Samurai, but Content Samurai now changed to vidnami.com. And if you join this tool through my referral link, you will get 25% discount, plus you will get 14 days free trial. Yes guys, in 14 days you can make as much as video as you can. Guys, I just come here on Vidnami. I just paste my article here, and I just click on edit. I just click on create a scene button, and I just use the voice. I have already make video on this, how to make videos by using this tool Vidnami, and you can see, guys, here is my video ready. So what you have to do? So what you have to do next is, guys, you have to upload this video on YouTube. I'm just going to upload this video here on YouTube. You can see, guys, here I have to click on select files, and I'm just going to paste my video file here, and you can see, guys, this video start uploading. And you can see, guys, this is the title which is showing 5 YouTube SEO tips to grow your channel very fast. And I can write how to do YouTube SEO. And I'm just going to copy this text here, and I'm just going to open YouTube in the other tab. I just paste this keyword here, how to do YouTube SEO. I'm very sorry for my bad internet connection, guys. Because of lockdown, internet speed is very low right now. So let me open some random videos. Just for an example, here you can see, guys, this video got 29,000 views in last 3 weeks. So let me open this video in the new tab. I just opened this video, and I have installed vidIQ extension in my Chrome browser, and this extension will show all the tags which this YouTube video used. I just copy the tags, all the tags. I just come here, and I just click on more options, and here is the tag option. I just paste all the tags, and I'm just going to click on no, it's not made for kids. And other thing is, guys, I'm just going to copy here this article. You have to do the same as well, guys. Believe me, guys, this is the best way to get more and more orders. Here with this method, guys, you will get targeted clicks to your Fiverr gig. Guys, what you do is you come here on Facebook, on random Facebook group, and you share your link here on the random Facebook group. Believe me, guys, this do not work. Here on Facebook, these all are the Fiverr seller like you. If you share your Fiverr gig link here, believe me, guys, they are not going to buy from you. Yeah, there is some way to get clients from Facebook, and if you are interested, I will make video on that topic as well, how you can get your Fiverr client from Facebook. But guys, this is not a way. If you share link here on Facebook, on random Facebook group, you are going to get clicks from the seller like you. You are not going to get an actual buyer from the Facebook group like this one. So guys, this is not a good way to get orders from by just sending request in Facebook group. Guys, this is the best way to get targeted clicks. And here in my description, I'm just going to type one of my student gig link, which is Impressive Emu. He sells service on Fiverr. He is my student, and he has already 7 reviews. You can see, guys, here is his gig, YouTube SEO gig. I just copy this link here, and I'm just going to paste it here. And guys, for the thumbnail, what you can do is you just come on pixabay.com. This is very easy, guys. You just have to come on pixabay.com. I'm not going to show everything, otherwise this video is going to be very long video, and you can download thumbnail from this pixabay.com website for free, which you can upload here with this video. It's very easy, guys. As I showed you before, this is the best and targeted way to get more and more clicks, and I personally follow this method, guys. And here you have to click on visibility, and you have to make your video public, and you have to click on publish button. It is very easy, guys. You have to do the same work as well. Guys, another tip which I can say you guys, let me come here on fiverr.com, suppose just for an example guys, you want to provide service in logo design, and I just search logo design on Fiverr, and you can see guys 5636 services are available. It is a very big competition to beat. You can see guys, all the person has 1000 plus review on their gig. So guys, you can you can understand, you cannot beat your competitor with this logo design service, with this targeted logo design service. Then here what you have to do is guys, if you come at the bottom of Fiverr, you can see guys some of the suggested keyword which Fiverr shows. Just for an example guys, I click on watercolor logo design. You can see guys, only 246 services are available. So guys, you can understand, instead of providing logo design service, if you provide watercolor logo design service, you will have to only beat 246 services, and you can easily start getting orders. You can see guys, some people has 1000 plus reviews and $10 is starting price. You can see guys, here is another one, watercolor logo. So guys, you can understand, if you provide direct logo design service, then you may not get orders onto your Fiverr profile. But guys, if you minimize the competition and if you provide some very much targeted service on Fiverr, then you will have to face very less competition. And you can see guys, with watercolor logo design, still you can get so much orders. You can see 58 orders in queue, $30 is basic price. You can see guys, here is another one, 203 orders in queue, $10 is basic price. So guys, you can understand how you can minimize your niche. So guys, I hope you will understand what I'm going to say. You have to minimize your niche. You have to provide very much targeted service here on Fiverr, so you will start getting orders on your Fiverr profile very fast. So guys, these are my some tips to get more and more orders on Fiverr. And guys, if you want to know how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr, I have made some videos on my YouTube channel which you can watch. But guys, if you really want to learn something extra, you can definitely check out my course, The Price of Coffee. You can buy this course, and in this course I show how you can, I show everything on live screen guys. I actually set up my Fiverr profile on live screen. Believe me guys, this course is going to be very helpful for you guys. In this course you will learn how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days, how you can get your first order within a week. Plus I show you how you can make $100 per day without having any skill. And you can see guys, here I share some of my Fiverr earning proof as well. You can see in March I earned $2,108. You can see guys, and you can see guys, this is one of my student earning proof. This student shared this earning proof just 1 week or 2 weeks ago. So guys, my students are start getting result with this course. So I would highly recommend you to check out my course, The Price of Coffee. You can buy this course. And guys, with this course I will provide you my lifetime support. You can ask me your question, I will reply to you within 24 hours. So guys, I would highly recommend you to check out my course. And guys, if you really like this video, then please do not forget to give me a like on this video. I would highly appreciate your like guys. And please also don't forget to share your best comment as well. So guys, thank you so much. See you soon. Have a nice day.